Welcome to Solarontos. We are a small family cava and we run with my father and I, so it's two of us. We do a very limited production, like micro production, specialized in aged cavas, like long aged cavas. So this is a bit of our specialty. Talking with him, we thought that we didn't speak a lot about our elaborates, so I thought we should give more information to you, more characteristics about them, pairings with food, and ways to enjoy them more. So this is what I will do today. We'll talk about all of the lower age, but today we'll talk about the youngest one. It's Reservada. It's this one. It's our youngest cava. It has 2 years of aging in bottle. We do it in brut, so it has a touch of sweetness at the start. And although it's the youngest cava in the house, I think it's a great cava, and I will tell you why. So the blend of Reservada is the traditional wine of cava, Macabeo, Xarel·lo emparellada, and it predominates this last one. So it's this more fruity cava, aromatic cava, very savory. It's great at the start of the meal as a welcoming glass, also with aperitifs, works very well. Or in the meal with a dish that is not too filling, like white meats, white fish, works great there. Or since it's brut and it has a touch of sweetness with desserts, I like it a lot also. About the tasting notes, you will see that the bubble is very small. It's there, it's present, but it shouldn't be the protagonist. That's a line that all our cava follows, because they are sparkling wines, but you don't want this aggressive bubble that goes to your nose and it's just making a lot of noise there. So it goes, it's a very balanced wine. Then in the color, you will see it's like a white, pale yellow. I like a lot this color. It's not this high color, no oxidation there, so it's a very clean color. At the end, the smell, I always find these white fruits like pear or apple, very crisp smell, very clean also. And in the tasting, you will see it's very refreshing, but at the same time very savory, right? So it cleans your palate, but it also adds to the pairing with the food. So I like it a lot there. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video and found this information interesting to you. If you like this cava or you want to try other for elaborate, you can check in the business section of solarontos.com and see if there's a shop or a restaurant close to you. If you live in another country, you can check for importers there also. If your country is not in the importer section, you can also send us a mail. Cava always finds a way. So, and also, if you want to keep in touch, you can go to the description of the video. You will have our social media there, or you can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And we'll try to make more with tips about cava and also about food. We do some recipes also. And finally, you can also come to visit us. We do tastings and tours here in Sant Sadurní, very close to Barcelona, so you're always welcome. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening, and salut y cava.